And doing 13-13-1 reviews back again with another banger review, guys. Today we got Welcome Back Kotter. The complete collection can't suck Kotter. Can't Kotter can't. So guys, here it is. It has all the DVDs in it, guys, straight from Shout Factory, guys. We're gonna unbox it now, guys. Wait, it's coming, guys. It's Kotter coming. Kotter cunt. Yeah, welcome back, cunt. Hunter. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna show you all the DVDs, guys. There they are. They look homemade. There's the season 1, guys. And then there's the season 2. Season 3. And season 4. And there's even like a booklet, guys. There's all the DVDs, guys, from the set. Hopefully thumbnail. And it's a really good show, guys. Let me just show you some of the content. I think it has 4 discs each, guys. Pretty simple, pretty cool. They all have like 4 discs. And bye.